You can update your team members through the dashboard also. In order to do so, select Content from the sidebar, then Team Members. The first screen will allow you to see the departments and how many member profiles are in each department. You can, if you wish, have one all-encompassing department called, for example, Our Team, and list everyone in the same place. Clicking Edit on a department will bring an overview of the team members in that department. You can then create, edit or delete team members. Clicking Create will add a new team member, so let's do that now. Simply populate the details. Name and role are mandatory, as is the image, but the other fields are optional. Please make sure that any image that you upload is optimized. Please see my previous video on how to do so. Once you're happy with this, simply click the Published slider and then click Create Team Member.
Property Webmasters.